So in Fusion, if you delete one of your designs, how do you get it back? So when it comes to deleting a design, you actually can't do it if it's open. So I'm going to close this design, right click on it and choose delete. You get your confirmation dialog, hit delete. Now this file is gone. Now, what do you do if you've done this and it was an accident? When you look over in your data panel, you're not going to find this file. If I go search for it, I'm not going to find anything, so I'll do a quick search. I do a quick search for it. I don't see it. It's not available. I also don't see a trash folder. So here's what you do. In the data panel, you can go to Open on the Web. You can also go up to the New Design and choose View Details on the web. This will open your Fusion team, and now you can see in a web browser all of your files. And what's a little bit different about this is make sure you're in the right project. So you're in the project of the file you deleted. That is important. You'll go and find there is a trash can or trash folder here. Looks like here's the file that or design that I deleted a few minutes ago, and I have some options. I have two. I can delete it forever, or I can effectively restore it. So I'll click this little restore, I'll hit restore and give it a second. And now if I come back into Fusion, my data panel's been refreshed. I'm going to hit refresh. And here's that design. It's now available. So a few things in the web browser of your Fusion team, at each project level, you should see a trash can. What if you can't find that file? According to the Autodesk help articles, you can also look inside of your locally cached data. So if you're in Windows or on a Mac, you'll want to look at these specific locations and see if you can hopefully track down that design here in the cached information. And then you can take the steps to upload it back into your Fusion data panel. Hey, I hope this helps. If you've got questions or if you have any helpful tips for the community on what's worked for you for deleted files, love to hear that in the comments below. I'll see you guys in the next video.